packaging and storage.
The finished products is filled in containers meant for packaging. Depending on the demand, the market and the size of the industry, packing is categorized as follows. Primary packing. It is the type of packing that comes in direct contact with food. Example, pouches, bottles, sachets, drums. Secondary packing. It is the type of packing that comes in contact with the primary packing material. Example, cartons filled with bottles. When selecting the packaging material to pack the finished products, one must ensure that the packaging material is
non-toxic and compatible with food, offers sanitary protection, protects the product from moisture, gas and odor, protects the product from light, temperature, humidity and rain, protects the product from insects, mites, bacteria, rodents and birds, is transparent and tamper-proof, offers ease of opening, pouring, resealing and disposing, is compatible with the size, shape, appearance standards set by the organization, is low on cost.
Aseptic packaging. Packaging ensures that processed food is sterile and protected from harmful microorganisms. A packaging done in a germ-free environment is called aseptic packaging. It is the final steps in aseptic food processing. Food product is sterilized continuously, ensuring either food decay and or food poisoning does not occur. Aseptic packaging ensures that the containers for the food sterilized continuously and that the food is inserted into the container in a completely sterile environment. The packaging material used is multi-layered. Paper, polyester and metal liners. They are pre-sterilized products. Milk Terra packs, aseptic pack cartons, juice pouches, boxes, etc. The common methods of aseptic packaging are form fill seal, bag in box, bag in drum. What is canning? Canning is a food preservation technique. The processed food is filled into sterilized cans or bottles for preservation. This filled product along with cans or bottles undergoes pasteurization, sterilization of heat. The purpose of canning is given below. Canned foods are a way to utilize fruit, vegetables and to consume in oxygen. Canned foods are also used for supply of foods to the defense areas and scarce areas where it is not available. Canning can be done in 3 ways given below. Static canning followed by freezing under pressure, sterilization under high pressure, sterilization under hyperheating. Methods of storing finished products. The fruit industry follows the JIT, just-in-time system. Here, finished product is dispatched to the distributor, retail industry or institution as soon as the product is ready. A carton of processed pulp can be stored for a long time in the storehouse. In case of pulps where the flavors are mixed as and when the demand arises,
stock rotation system like FIFO and FEFO are applied. FIFO, first in, first out, is a stock rotation system that dispatches processed food depending on the order in which it is produced. FEFO, first expired, first out, is a stock rotation system wherein products that need to be consumed earlier are shipped first.